Hello, Blake. It's been a long time. Is this really us?
Oo nga, parang for the first time in a long time, magpo-produce tayo ng video on demand at talagang hindi live. Pero of course, actually what our channel is trying to do, I think, is para pinapasok na natin kapag kaya natin sa live stream, which is I think similar to how it is on an RV. And some of our night owls actually enjoy the discussion kasi parang mas nagiging interactive.
Yes.
That's probably our niche, but of course we will still try to produce kasi this is our duty as reactors, and of course kasama sa ating mga members.
Yes, and of course, Blake, syempre, kapag live stream kasi, may kaakibat yan na panganib. Panganib na ma-strike at panganib na permanently ma-remove sa YouTube. Kaya, gagawin natin to offline and then we ask YouTube's permission pagdating sa community guidelines if ma-upload natin to. So, we're going to dito sa SB90 dance rehearsal. Actually, Blake, if they will recall our reaction, and syempre para sa mga MST membership, MST members na exclusive na nakapanood ng first listen natin, nung hindi ko pa alam na may extended, inaantay ko yung part ng dam kung saan pwede silang mag-dance break. No? And I think if I can recall it right, hinahanap, you wish na mas mahaba exposure nung choreography. Tama ba?
Yeah. Actually, yun yung napansin ko na parang since there was a story, di ba, sabi nga natin, there needs to be a balance. Of course, you have to sacrifice something to show more of something. So that's why I'm so excited to see this. Kung paano yung magiging atake ng sayo nila. Yun. I don't know. Let's go. Let's watch this.
Yeah, okay. So this is in the 1Z headquarters, I think.
Sana ma-invite.
Yes, Blake?
Sana ma-invite naman tayo dito.
Correct. Kahit magtitinda lang tayo ng espasol. At first, I just wanted to point out na parang Blake, hindi naman tayo na disappoint ng SB19 dun sa kanilang lead single when it comes to the opening. Parang it's gonna be an epic performance on stage at syempre sa Philippine Arena. Ako ang iniisip ko yung the number of dancers that they have here eh. Parang yung well-coordinated choreography and the opening is epic in itself. So, na-excite talaga ako makita to ng live.
Ang galing nga no? Production na siya. Yung choreo nila. So, parang, yun. I'll share my comments later.
Yeah. Oo. Syempre. Wow. Woo! Wow! I like that.
Galing.
Okay, let's talk about the chorus choreography. Did you like it? Or sa una mong napanood, parang you find it weird, not the usual not the usual sequence and routine, or nag-grow na lang sa'yo? Be
Ako sa dulo ko
honest.
ire-reserve kasi dire-diretso ako eh. Magbobomba ako ng comments. But like
Okay.
right now, I like the take. I like how the things are going so far.
Yeah, yeah, oo. Kasi it's so so parang talagang magkahiwalay kami ni Blake ngayon, pero during the reiteration nung Dam, parang magkasama kami first listen ng audio, first listen ng music, first watch ng music video. So
Favorite ko talaga yung part ni Ja at ni Stel actually.
oo. So what do you like about the hand gestures?
Later ko
Or
na ibibigay, dire-diretso bobombahin ko nga eh. Oh!
oh, I like that.
Ay. Sis, parang kinilig ka naman doon.
Hindi.
Kaya may challenge ako sa'yo, te.
Ano?
Kailan tayo magkikita? Siguro mga March 9 or onwards. Ganun tayo, lakad tayo sa lahat ng pupuntahan natin. O
Go!
yan, yan yung TikTok challenge natin. Kasi hinahamon tayo ng viewers natin. Doon daw tayo, gawin daw natin yung sayaw. Ay ate, Diyos ko. Kinakalawang na ang inyong mga lingkod. Hanggang ganun lang kami.
Oo. Go. That's the dance break. Ooh. Ah, a different choreography. Ooh.
And fair.
So, ratratin mo na.
For me, siguro ito yung mga layers of opinions ko when it comes to this choreography. The dance itself
Mm.
is a
Mm.
production. Kumbaga, it can stand
Mm.
alone. Kumbaga, there's no need for like elaborate sets for the dance to be performed. Kasi, kumbaga, they really maximized yung dancers, their backup dancers together with them. Talagang makikita mo yung ritmo at alam mong sila pa rin yung bida nung sayaw. Of course, I understand some of them parang they would tell na no, don't call them backup dancers because Pablo doesn't call them backup dancers. Actually, babalik ko lang siya dun sa real meaning naman na there's nothing derogatory when you call someone a backup dancer. Kasi kumbaga
Yes.
it really is it's the terminology in the industry. Walang mali doon. Actually, other people really aspire to become backup dancers. Kumbaga, kumbaga, I like na gamit na gamit sila dito sa buong choreo. Though I'm kind of wondering how this will transpire in other countries na hindi kasama ang WE. W3 ba? Tama ba? Napakagaling kasi ng grupo nito. In fairness ha, napaka-sync nung sayaw nila, napaka-solid nung sayaw
True.
nila. So, sana lang hindi dependent yung buong sayaw sa production na to nakasama yung W3. Kasi baka mamaya sobrang dependent ng choreography sa kanila. Pagdating sa countries na wala yung backup dancers, baka maging maging sobrang dependent na hindi nila ma-perform na maganda. I have trust in them. It's just that I wish to see a choreo na silang 5 lang. Number 1, I miss yung Go Up Days na talagang parang silang 5 lang. Na parang napaka-smooth nung choreo just between the 5 of them. Though I understand, Damn calls for a production talaga. The song itself calls for a production. Hence, this dance, what do you call this? This dance video. Tapos another thing is that yung transition ng dance break, it's not the dance break isn't necessarily jumpy. Kumbaga, usually kapag dance break, yan yung mga hatawan, talaga yung kailangan mong give ka 100% energy all the time. It's not jumpy, but it's complicated. The footwork is very elaborate. So parang I understand it probably took some of them time na ma-master to ng bongga. Kasi even if you're a dancer I would say may mga techniques na dinedeploy ngayon na hindi siya necessarily mukha siyang madali tignan, pero kapag ikaw na yung gumagawa, mahirap siya. So that's another thing. So I commend the dance break. It's not necessarily jumpy, but it is complicated at alam mong maganda tignan. Another thing, gusto ko yung fuse of androgyny in the dance steps. I think some of them deployed cultural dance moves. Nagtatranslate, nagagawa nilang hip-hoppy pero mandun pa rin yung elements nung folk dances. So natutuwa ako. Tapos androgyny siya in the sense na some of them are very female moves na hindi typically sasayawin ng lalaki, but the way Stel delivered the dance, napakaganda ng mga pitik ng kamay niya. Even yung kay Jack, kaya nga sabi ko, ang favorite ko is yung kanilang dalawa. Napakaganda ng transition nung kay Jack at kay Stel. Plus, if you've noticed, from the first bridge ba ang tawag dyan? Hindi siya bridge eh. Yung
first chorus.
No. Not the chorus. Going to the chorus.
The pre-chorus.
Ano?
Pre-chorus yung tawag doon. Pre-chorus.
The pre-chorus.
Pre-chorus.
Yung pre-chorus, the first one, I think, was sung by Stel first, then Ja. Doon sa second pre-chorus, it was Ja first, then Stel. So nakikita mo yung may elevation na sila. So parang sabi ko siya, napaka-commendable. Yung eye mo kasi for that should be very specific para ma-perfect mo. And I commend W3 kasi na-deliver nilang maganda yung variation.
True. Totoo.
And I like that the last part is a bit of a dance hall. Kasi when you say dance hall, talagang dependent siya sa rhythm, tapos talagang very jive. So parang merong the dance itself, meron siyang may levels. So talagang nabigay nila. Even yung mga production kay Ken, yung the circle part, yung kay Josh, yung pag-move niya, napakaganda ng pagkakagawa. So I like the choreo. Siguro yun lang yung worry ko. How is this going to be performed in another country?
Actually, Blake, ang dami kong gustong komentan sa mga sinabi mo, but on point yung iyong observation doon, no? First, gusto ko sabihin yung footwork, ang ganda ng footwork. I think it will not work sa may mga gout at saka sa may mga arthritis. Kita mo naman, di ba? pero I share your sentiment when you say na paano to kapag silang 5 lang. Don't get me wrong wala akong pag-aalinlangan na kaya nilang i-deliver to ng silang 5 lang. However, kasi yung coordination with the backup dancers and the whole group is what you call a total production in itself. I would rather have these dancers abroad kesa yung mga set ang dalhin abroad. Do you get what I mean? Kasi parang kung makikita mo talaga, tawag dito yung coordination, yung parang field demo feels is so kung ito ay isang dance group, mananalo sila. They can
True.
win. And I like also kapag hip hop dance competition to, panlaban to eh. This is a masterpiece na pwede nang ipanlaban. Thirdly, ang gusto kong malaman talaga rin, Blake, is that when it comes to their individual choreography or yung mga lines nila, paano siya mag-work kung mag-isa lang talaga sila? So worry yun, 'di ba? Ngayon, ang gusto ko talagang isa pang punain is that sobrang ganda kasi yung first choreography nila sa chorus na iba dun sa dulo. So that's what you call the dance hall. It's more of parang a marching dance na mapapasayaw tayo, and we can actually mimic or we can actually copy yung choreography nila dun sa dulo. 'Di ba? Parang party-party na yung dating. Now, overall, I am very impressed with the choreography. I'm very sorry kung nung una, masyado ko siyang hinahanap to the point na parang nag-iisip na ako kung magiging maganda ba yung choreography. But I'm
Actually, valid
satisfied
naman, Mark, na
actually.
hinanap mo kasi kahit naman
Mm-mm.
ako parang nung MV, parang sabi ko, ay, kasi di ba
Mm-mm.
What and Gento, siguro yung nakasanayan. So, I think positive naman siya na nag-iba sila, they tried something, it actually worked. We're nearing 10 million as of the moment. Baka mga paggising natin bukas, 10 million na. So, yun lang
Yeah.
naman yung hinahanap mo kasi dun ka accustomed. But, okay naman, nakita mo to eh. So, ang ganda ng production nila, ang ganda ng dance steps nila, even yung mga pitek, they're not really, kumbaga, it perfectly showcases their dance capabilities na hindi sila behind. They're not just good in singing, they're a master class in dancing.
Yeah. And alam mo, if we're going to compare this kasi sa kanilang mga previous single na nagre-require talaga ng heavy choreography, pagdating kasi dito sa Dam, it's more of not just a song that you can dance into, but it's more of a storytelling din. 'Di ba? It's very reminiscent of the MV itself. 'Di ba? Hindi mo talaga siya totally parang masasabi na ito ba yung choreography na nandun sa MV na hindi masyadong na-feature? You'll actually remember the music video from the choreography eh.
True.
'Di ba? So, doon ako talaga sobrang impressed, and whoever choreographed
I
this,
think it's still the
kailangan
same.
yeah,
Still the same. Actually, yun naman yung iaano nating worry kasi 'di ba, there's a tendency wherein kapag pare-parehas na ang choreographer sa series of EPs, parang there's a level of similarity na. So I think naman, feeling ko lang nagkaroon ng input ditong maganda yung mga talagang dancers, which is si Stel and si Ken. I don't know, Josh din. Plus yung creative juices ni Ja. Tapos combined yung concept ni Pablos with the song. So I think na medyo nag-deviate siya. So parang, it's still valid na minsan parang gusto mo sana magkaroon ng ibang choreographer because truth is,
yes.
can get really tiresome. But with this one, this is the second EP na kinoreograph niya. So okay ako, goods pa rin ako. Kasi nagkaroon pa rin siya ng variation. It isn't necessarily Gento-ish. It is a different vibe na, yun nga eh, the good thing with SB19 is this is a very, not really, hindi weird yung right term eh. Unconventional choreo. Which you really
Unconventional choreo.
you really have to commit to it in order for it to look good. Because if you don't fully commit to it, the tendency is it will look bad. But since they committed fully, ang ganda nung naging turnout. So,
Yeah,
like na,
and
really excited ako sa production nito eh, na parang paano nila gagawing en grande to kasi etong dance nito is already a masterpiece. Now, how would you level this up, especially in the Philippine Arena, the biggest concert event, the biggest concert place in the country?
yeah, and of course, yung screams, alam mo 'di ba siyempre dun sa choreography may pagsigaw eh. Parang parang may call to action, parang may chant.
Mm.
'Di ba may mga chant. So I would love to see this perform in Philippine Arena na hindi lang coordinated sa kanilang mga sets, sa lights, sa sounds, but also with the audience,
True.
no? No, so parang sana ma-coordinate din to sa mga fans
Alam mo
kung
naman ng
kailan tayo
18,
sisigaw.
alam mo naman ng 18, G din 'yan. 'Pag perform kala mo mga backup dancers din. Todo-todo, tayo nga 'di ba? Paano pa kaya yung mga mas bata sa atin, mas may energy.
So syempre Blake, 'di ba? Parang there are choreographies na talagang pinupuri mo, and then there are choreographies na parang hinahanapan mo ng parang yung usual na nakikita nating kagalingan ng SB19, 'di ba? Now, do you expect more of these sa paparating na album, paparating na EP?
One more dance.
One
Similar
more
to the
is
Gento siguro. The Gento tas may Cream Zone, isang bagsa. Well, Gento was more of Gento wasn't necessarily yung talagang upbeat. For me, kung may
mm,
upbeat sa previous EP, it's Cream Zone. Pero
Cream
maganda ang
Zone.
choreo ni Gento, which is why di naman natin kine-question. Talagang nag-viral siya. So I think this one, ako gusto ko isa pa. And then the rest, I would settle for a ballad or a very EP ender song. Kaya yun yung few of the things na wini-wish. Of course, an EP still needs peaks and valleys. Hindi to pwedeng talagang parang production after production. There
Kay
are several
oo,
level of productions when it comes to energy and when it comes to the genre of the song. So, I trust
true,
Pablo na medyo naibigay niya yon kasi kung hindi mo pwedeng bagsakan ng sobrang energy ang isang EP kasi you also have to consider yung paano mo siya ipa-perform, especially na may concert na naka-inline sa EP. So, yun.
true. Ako naman Blake, kapag tinitingnan ko 'yan, ang gusto ko lang naman is I don't care if they will jump genre. Ang gusto ko lang talaga sa album na 'to is cohesiveness and of course holistic. Yun lang yung
Valid.
gusto ko. I don't care kung meron ng country vibe sa gitna, basta holistic siya and cohesive. And I trust SB19 with that. And before pa tayo humaba, maraming salamat sa panonood sa amin. We're going to react next. Hopefully, ma-upload natin yung AOS performance ng Boys.
True.
Tama? Oo. And eto na lang, before we end this, do you think this song has the capability na mag-viral sa TikTok, let's say? Could this be a dance craze also?
It could be, yes, kasi I think it is ongoing right now, in all fairness. But,
Oo.
you know what? There's actually a lot of potential sa song eh. It doesn't necessarily have to be the dance. I wish that 1Z or the marketing team sees yung ano. Actually, may gagawin akong TikTok eh. Pinaplano ko. Alam mo yung unang linya ni Josh? This is ugly. But alam mo naman, the me like it. Parang, anong ugly? Ay, gusto pala niya. Parang ganon. So actually, they're alive. Even yung ganon, kaya kita hinahamon ng ganon. May tumayaw na lang ganon eh. Inikot niya yung buong bahay niya, nagagaganon lang siya. So, ang daming potential ng song. It doesn't necessarily have to be confined to a specific dance step. Napakalaki ng potential ng viral. Sana ma-maximize ng marketing team kasi sa 18,
exactly.
Ang 18, hindi nawawala ng engagement yan. Talagang nagugulat kami, pinopost talaga. Nagugulat ako, pinopost sila sa Twitter na parang, uy, nakita nyo to, nakita nyo yan. Hindi mawawala ng 18 ng engagement. Pero sana mismong 1Z ma-realize yung potential viral, yung other virality potentials nung song.
True. Actually, yun din yung talagang hahanapin ko dito eh. How do they further push the dam? Kasi napakalaki ng potential ng music and of course the music video. And ang daming references, no? Parang parang wag nating iwan sa hangin yung kanta. And of course, Blake, congratulations because we're reaching na 10 million views soon. So thank you so much.
Yes.
So, if you want to support this channel, nasa video description below lang po yung mga pwede nyong padalhan for coffee or for donation. And of course, kung gusto mo ng chikahan, pwede ka magpa-member sa amin sa MST membership. Just click the link below. Okay? So, this has been your Kuya Matt.
Wow, that's a different ikaw ang nauna ha. And I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake. See you everyone sa next video namin.